everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to animate still photos in CapCut on PC. It's super easy and perfect for reels, shorts, or maybe cinematic videos. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just import your photo. And then next, just click on the photo on the timeline. And then you can just go to Animate. And then on this Animate, you can just choose on in, out, or combo. Just choose the mood that you want. For example, in animations, and then just choose the animations that you want over here. For example, like this, and then just adjust the durations as you like this. And then next, you can also make smoother motions. You can just use keyframes. Just place the first keyframes, for example, over here, and then on this scale, just tap the keyframes, and then just add keyframes on the scale, positions, and rotate, and then just move the positions forward like this, and then just add keyframes again, and then just adjust the scale as you like, for example, like this. Like this, and it will look like this. Okay, like this. And when you're done about the animation, just export your video over here. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.